Yeah, hello, Martin Baker here from Baker's Garden Buildings. I'm over in South London and showing you a really nice combination J. So this is our J office, 2.3 wide, 1.9 deep with the 1.5 store. This is the first time I've showed you this combination. Now we're a bit unsure on levels. There's a new level here and the clients have moved in and we're unsure. So we actually sought planning on this. This is under the 2.5 planning rule, but because of the levels on the ground here, we weren't sure. And so we've done the safe bet and got planning permission on it. But that's really nice set up there in that back corner. And then you've got the side window. So rarely do we, again, able to show you this where we add a side window to it. So you've got the single door and then a really nice living space in there, an office space. It's being used daily. Literally the client has just stepped out the room to allow me to take this video, so thank you very much for allowing him to do that. And just a really lovely room. So that's a combination J where we've got the 2.3 by 1.9 deep office space and then the 1.5 store on the side. Really good option for a London garden. You know, you can even put it in a much smaller garden than this, but it's just a great solution for those kind of spaces. Standard sizes, we've got 7 of them. So if this is of interest to you, you want a small office space, want to combine that with your garden storage, and this is the perfect solution for you. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share what we do and let me know your thoughts below.